I'm going to be showing you how to crochet on the other side of the chain, and I'm demonstrating with my 3 Little Pigs pattern. It's actually this part of the foot here that we actually use this technique for. And I will leave a link in the description box below for this pattern, which is a crocheted body with knitted clothes. You are going to begin with a slip knot, and the pattern says to chain 4. So we're just going to go ahead and chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for this next part, you're going to want to have a stitch marker. So the pattern states that in the second chain from the hook, we are going to single crochet. So this is our first stitch, and this one is our second stitch. We're going to single crochet. And then I'm going to place a stitch marker here. That way I know that this is the beginning of this round. The next part is just to single crochet. And then it says work 3 single crochet in the next stitch. So this is the last stitch on our chain, and we're going to actually work 3 single crochet in this stitch. And this can feel a little fumbly at times. Now, instead of turning our work and working back across the chain, we're actually now on the underside of this chain. But this is our next stitch, so we are going to do 1 single crochet. And then in the last stitch, which is right here, we're going to increase. So I'm going to leave a long loop here, and I want to show you. We're going to kind of pull on our tail here, and we're going to go ahead and count all of our stitches because we should have 8 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now you have a little oval shape here, and you're just going to continue stitching around your chain.